We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Today we have to discuss first order differential equation. The most important topic is exact differential equation. The form of exact differential equation is given by mxy dx plus nxy dy is equal to 0, and this equation is to be exact, then the necessary and sufficient condition for the differential equation is to be exact is del m by del y is equal to del n by del x, where del m by del y and del n by del x denotes the partial derivative of m and n with respect to y and x respectively. The solution of exact differential equation is given by integral over m dx when y is constant plus integral over terms in n which are free from x dy is equal to c, where c is constant. Here in first part we have to take m and taking y as a constant, and we have to integrate only x, and in second term we have to here integrate terms of n which are free from x, then we have to integrate only term of y which are free from x and integrate with respect to y and is equal to c. This is the solution for exact differential equation. Here one example: solve x square minus 2xy plus 3y square dx plus 4y cube plus 6xy minus x square dy is equal to 0. Here we have to see that these are the form like this: mxy dx plus nxy dy is equal to 0. Then we have to compare with this form. Then we have to get m is equal to x square minus 2xy plus 3y square and n is equal to 4y cube plus 6xy minus x square. Here by the condition of exact we have to find del m by del y and del n by del x. Then here del m by del y is equal to partial differentiation of m with respect to y. Then here x square becomes 0 because x is constant. We have to take partial differentiation with respect to y. Then here minus 2x is common, differentiation of y is 1. Then here minus 2x. Here differentiation of y square is 2y multiplied by 3, that means we have to get plus 6y. Then del m upon del y is equal to minus 2x plus 6y, and n is equal to 4y cube plus 6xy minus x square. Then here we have to differentiate n with respect to x. Then here 4y cube is a constant, then this becomes 0. We have to differentiate with respect to x. Then here 1, then the constant is 6 into y, then we have to get 6y, and differentiation of x square is 2x. Then del n upon del x is equal to 6y minus 2xy. Now compare del m upon del y and del n upon del x, then this become equal. Then the given differential equation is exact. Now the solution of given differential equation is integral over m dx when y is constant plus terms integral over terms in n which are free from x dy is equal to c. Here we have to write down m, here x square minus 2xy plus 3y square dx, and in second term n which are free from x. Then here there are 3 terms. In these 2 terms present x, and only this term the only y is over here. Therefore we have to integrate only 4y cube dy is equal to c. Here in first integral we have to take y as a constant. Then here we have to integrate with respect to x. Then here x square become x cube by 3 minus 2y is constant, only integrate x, then this gives x square by 2, 2 is cancelled, then we have to get x square y. Here 3y square is constant, then integration only dx, then we get 3y square x. Now here integrate with respect to y, then here y raised to 4 by 4, 4 is cancelled. Then this is our answer of given the first order differential equation, x cube by 3 minus x square y plus 3y square x plus y raised to 4 is equal to c. Similarly, we have to solve this example. Now, if del m upon del y is not equal to del n upon del x, then this type of differential equation is called non-exact differential equation. Non-exact differential equation reduced to be the exact differential equation by multiplying an integrating factor. We have to, when we get non-exact differential equation, then we have to multiply some integrating factor and reduce in exact differential equation. For first, let the differential equation of the form mxy dx plus nxy dy is equal to 0 be a homogeneous differential equation. In homogeneous form, here we know that the homogeneous differential equation, a homogeneous function, then the power of all the terms become equal and mx plus ny is not equal to 0. Then the integrating factor is 1 upon mx plus ny. For this we have to take one example. Here x square y dx minus x cube plus xy square dy is equal to 0. Then we have to compare. Then we get m is equal to x square y and n is equal to minus x cube plus xy square. Differentiate m with respect to y, then we get x square. Differentiate n with respect to x, then we have to get minus 3x square minus y square. Here see that del m upon del y which is not equal to del n upon del x, then this equation is not exact and non-exact. Also here we show here x square y and x cube plus xy square. Here three terms, of one of m and two of n. Here the total power of this term is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Here the power of this term is 3 and here 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then the total power of all the power of this differential equation becomes same. Therefore, this differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. Then we have to check mx plus ny. Here mx plus ny, then that means we have to multiply m by x and we have to multiply n by y and take the addition of these two terms mx plus ny. Then here we get x cube y, here minus x cube y minus xy cube, then here plus x cube y minus x cube y cancel. We have to get only minus 1 upon xy cube. This is our integrating factor. Now we have to multiply this integrating factor to our whole equation. Then we have to get this type of new equation, minus x upon y square dx plus x square upon y cube plus 1 upon y dy is equal to 0, which is exact. For this we have to check these are exact or not. Suppose this form is m star and this is n star, then we have to differentiate this term with respect to y. Then we know that the differentiation of 1 upon y square is minus 2 upon y cube. Then here minus minus plus 2x upon y cube. And here differentiate n star with respect to x, then we have to get 2x upon y cube. This term becomes 0. Then del m star upon del x is equal to del n star upon del m star upon del y is equal to del n star upon del x. Then this equation becomes exact. Now the solution of exact differential equation is integral over m, y is constant and terms free from terms of n free from x over here. Then here we have to write down m and here terms free from x from n star. Then here only 1 upon y. Now integrate with respect to x, then this gives x square upon 2y square, and here integrate with respect to y, this gives log y. This is our first case when the differential equation is homogeneous and mx plus ny is not equal to 0. Now in second, if the differential equation is of the form fxy into y dx plus gxy into x dy is equal to 0, and also mx minus ny is not equal to 0, then our integrating factor is 1 upon mx minus ny. Here for this we have to take one example, x square y square plus y 2y dx plus 2 minus x square y square x dy is equal to 0. Comparing with mxy dx plus nxy dy, then we have to get m is equal to this whole part, x square y square plus 2 into y, and for n 2 minus x square y square into x. Here we have to differentiate with m with respect to y. Then here we have to get, here this is 2 x square y square plus here we have to get 2, and here this is del n upon del x with respect to x, then we have to get 2 minus 2xy square. Then we see over here del m upon del y is not equal to del n upon del x, then this equation is non-exact. For second choice of non-exact, we have this equation is of the form of fxy into y dx plus gxy into x dy is equal to 0. Then we have to check mx minus ny, then that means m is multiplied by x and n is multiplied by y, and we have to subtract mx minus ny. Then here we have to multiply m by x and n by y, then we get these terms, and we have to cancel out these two terms, then we have to get 1 upon 2x cube y cube. This is our integrating factor, and we have to multiply whole the equation by this integrating factor. Then this equation, new equation, become exact, and we not check this equation become exact, is already exact. Then we have to take direct the solution of this. This is our m star and this is our n star, and we have to substitute over in the form of general solution of exact differential equation. And here this is m star, this is n star, we have to substitute here and integrate over m star, integrate y over y is taking y is constant, and here only terms free from x, then we get the solution. Okay, this is the second part. Now if these two first and second parts are not possible, then we have to directly check 1 upon n del m by del y minus del n upon del x is equal to fx, or 1 upon del m upon 1 upon m in bracket del n upon del x minus del n upon del y is equal to gy. In these two parts we have to directly check, and then this any one of them is possible, then the integrating factor is e raised to integral fx dx in this form, or e raised to integral gy dy in this form. Here we check the example x square y square plus 3 minus 2xy, then this become non-exact. Then here we have to check directly 1 upon n del m by del y minus del m. Here we show that here this is the function only of x, then this is fx. Then this is our third case, and the integrating factor is e raised to integral fx dx. Here we have to solve this, and we have to get this type of solution, and multiply by integrating factor the whole equation. We have to get new equation, and new equation become exact, and we have to solve this. In fourth case, again these two are m and n, we have to find del m upon del y, del n upon del x, but here these are not same, and this is, then we have to check 1 upon m del n by del x minus del m upon del y is equal to 1 upon this, and here in fourth case we have to get only function of y, then these are the fourth case, and the integrating factor is e raised to integral gy dy, and we have to solve and find the integrating factor. Multiplying the integrating factor the whole equation, we have to get new equation become exact, and we have to find new m star n star, and we have to solve this, then we have to get the solution. Then here we have to discuss today the exact differential equation, and how when we have to get non-exact differential equation, then how we have to get convert into exact differential equation. making four type of integrating factor. First form for homogeneous and mx plus ny. Second form is fxy into y dx plus gxy into x dy and mx minus ny. And third and fourth case are randomly check 1 upon n del m 1 upon n del m by del y minus del n upon del x, which gives function of x only, and in fourth case 1 upon m del n by del x minus del m upon del y, it gives only function of y only. That's it.